So this is our next problem. This is the total, 352 minus 186. Okay, again, I went and drew out our blocks, 350, 50, or 5 tens, and 2 ones. I'm not drawing out 186 because I'm taking 186 from the total 352. We start with our ones place as always. Our number on top is smaller than our number on the bottom. 2 ones minus 6 ones we cannot do. So we have to go next door and take a 10 from the tens column. We have 5 tens and we have to borrow 1 10. So I'm going to take 1 10 away from the tens and I'm going to move it to the ones place. I'm going to regroup the 10 to ones because I'm in the ones place. So and then I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've moved one group of 10 to the ones place. I no longer have a 2. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I no longer have 2, I have 12 ones in the ones place. Now my number is bigger on top than my number on the bottom. And I can subtract 12 minus 6. I'm going to take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my 6 is in the ones place. I'm now finished with the ones column. I'm going to move on to my tens column. 5 tens minus 8 tens. I don't have 5 tens because I've already taken it and put it in the ones place. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So I'm going to change my 5 to a 4. I have 4 tens, but my tens is smaller on top than on the bottom. So I'm going to take and borrow or regroup from the hundreds place. This is 3 100. So I'm going to take 1 100 and I'm going to move it to the tens place. I have 10 tens equals 1 100. So I'm going to make 10 tens Now I've regrouped my 1 100 to 10 tens. And I have how many tens in my tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I now have 14 tens in my tens place. 14 minus 8, I'm going to take 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what I have left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 tens. 14 tens minus 8 tens equals 6 tens. Now I move on to my hundreds place. I no longer have 3 100s because I regrouped it into my tens place. So now I only have 1, 2 100s left. I take 2 100s minus 100 and I have 1 100 left. So my answer is 352 minus 186 equals 166. Now we're going to try one more problem and regrouping or borrowing. In this problem again, I drew out my blocks and I have my total of 643 minus 469, 600, 4 tens, 3 ones. I start with my ones place as always. My number on top is smaller than my number on the bottom. So I have to regroup or borrow from my tens place. So I'm going to take 110 and I'm going to regroup that and put it in my ones place. My 10 becomes ones because I'm moving them into my ones place, and I have 10 ones. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I no longer have a 3 because of my tens have moved over to the ones place. I now have 13. My number 13 is larger than my 9, and now I can subtract 9 from 13, so I'm going to take 9 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 13 minus 9 is 4. We are finished with the ones place. Now we're moving on to the tens place. I no longer have 4 tens because I moved over and regrouped it to the ones place. So how many tens do I have left? 1, 2, 3 tens. So I'm going to change my 4 to a 3. My number on top is smaller than my number on the bottom. 3 is smaller than 6. So now I have to regroup and take it from the 100s. So I'm going to borrow 100 from the hundreds place. And I'm going to regroup it and put it in the tens place. 10 tens equals 100. So now I'm going to write 10 tens in my tens place. And I'm going to add it to my 3 tens. And the total I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I now have 13 tens. 13 tens minus 6 tens. I'm going to take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. 13 tens minus 6 tens equals 7 tens. Now we're moving on to the hundreds place. I no longer have 6 100s because I took 110 and moved it to the tens place. And how many hundreds do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 100s left. 5 100s minus 4 100s. I'm going to take 4 100s away. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 1 100 left. 643 minus 469 is 174. Now we have seen 3-digit subtraction in 2 different ways. Now I want you to try. I want you to work out 2 of these problems showing your regrouping. You will subtract 375 minus 128, and you will also work on 531 minus 287. You'll be working with regrouping 1 time and then regrouping 2 times. Good luck!